Hi, this is Maryam from Crochet Children, and today we're going to learn how to crochet this beautiful hat. I used two colors of yarns, one as the main color and one for the border. 4mm crochet hook, yarn needle, and scissors. Let's get started. Make a magic ring to begin. For men, make 12, and for women, make 10 double crochets. My first double crochet is a single crochet plus 2 chains. Since I want to make it for myself, I make 10 double crochets. That was my first double crochet, and this is the second one, the third one, and continue making your double crochets. At the end of the row, pull this short tail to close off the ring. If you want to have a clean and nice project, make your slip stitch into the second double crochet. My first double crochet was a single crochet plus 2 chains. Skip it, insert your hook into the second stitch, make a slip stitch, pull it out, turn your project, insert your hook into the same stitch, and pull this loop out and turn it back, and this way you'll have a hidden slip stitch. Make a double crochet into this very first stitch that you made your slip stitch in. My first double crochet is a single crochet plus 2 chains. Now we should make a front post double crochet. Yarn over, insert your hook from this side and right here, not this V shape, around it, right here, insert it from the back and bring it out from the other side, like this. Yarn over, pull it out, yarn over, push it through 2 loops, yarn over, pull it through 2 loops. This way you made a front post double crochet. Make a simple double crochet into the next stitch, into the V shape, like this, yarn over, and make a front post double crochet around the base of it, of the same stitch I mean. And continue making a double and a front post double crochet all across the row. At the end of the row, you should have 20 stitches. This is where we should make the last 2 stitches. This was our first double crochet right here, and this is the second one. We should make our 18th stitch right here, 19th stitch right here, here. This is the slip stitch of our previous row. And the last one, the last front post double crochet around the base of it. At the end of the row, make your slip stitch into the second stitch, just the way I just taught you in previous row. Insert your hook, yarn over, pull it out, pull the loop up, turn it, insert your hook into the same stitch, and take this loop out, and turn your project again. Row 3, make a double crochet into the same stitch. My first double crochet in every row is a single crochet plus 2 chains. Into the next stitch, the V shape of the next stitch, make a double crochet and another double crochet around its base, right here. And this is our front post double crochet. Make a double crochet into the next stitch, right here. Make a double crochet into the next stitch, the V shape of the next stitch, and a front post double crochet around its base. And continue making your doubles and front post doubles just as the pattern goes. One next, one double crochet next and one in space, and continue until you finish this row. Make the last 2 rows into this slip stitch of the previous row right here and around the space, the front post double crochet around the space, and the last one, and make a slip stitch into that second stitch as I taught you, like this. And guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and write your comments down below. Row 4, make a double crochet into the very first stitch, the stitch that you're in. And my first double crochet is a single crochet plus 2 chains. And then make a front post double crochet around the space. Make a double crochet in next stitch and a front post double crochet around the space. And continue this process to the end of the row. I made the last 2 stitches into the last slip stitch of the previous row and around the space, and make your slip stitch into that second stitch right here and finish this row. Next row, row 5. Here's our front post double crochet. Make a front post double crochet around it. You can insert your hook and make a single crochet plus 2 chains from around the space, or make a front post double crochet. And the next one is a simple double crochet. Make a back post double crochet around the space. Insert your hook from the back side and like this. It's the opposite way you make your front post double crochet. The next one is a front post double crochet. Make a front post around it right here. The next one is a simple double crochet. Make a back post double crochet. Just like this. And continue this process to the end of the row. Make a front post double crochet around front post and make a back post around our simple double crochets. And at the end of the row, make a slip stitch into the second stitch. The number of stitches of row 5 should be the same as row 4. We should have 60 stitches. This is my 59th stitch, front post, and this is the back post, which is my last stitch, and at the end of the row, make a slip stitch into the second stitch. Turn your project and start the next row. The last stitch that I made my slip stitch in is my back post double crochet. So make a back post double crochet around it, just like this, yarn over and make a back post double crochet around the back post, just like this. Pull it through 2, yarn over, pull it through 2. The next one is a front post, so make a front post double crochet around your front post. So continue making a front post in front post and a back post in back post until your hat takes shape, takes a round shape, and you get the desired length. And if it's too small or too big, you can add more stitches in row 1. For example, instead of 10, If it's too small, you can add 2, 3 or 4 more stitches. Hide those short tails at the end of the row, and don't forget to make your slip stitch into the second stitch the way I taught you, because we want to hide the line of our slip stitches, and we don't want it to be visible from the outside. We should keep it in the inside. So continue adding more rows until you get the desired length. And I want to keep the last 2-3 rows because I want to change my color, and I make those last 2-3 rows with this color. You can make it with the same color or with a colorful yarn, or I don't know, whatever you want. And this is how it's taking shape. So I'm at the end of my row. I want to make my slip stitch into the second stitch the way I taught you, like this. Pull it out and turn it. Now where are we? This stitch is where I made my back post double crochet. So make your next stitch into this base. Based on the number of stitches you have, it might be a front post or back post. So front post around front posts, back posts around back posts. If you think you might lose your second stitch, you can mark it. I'm almost done. I want to keep the last 2-3 rows to make it with the other color. So chain 1 and cut your first color, pull it out. Now we want to attach the next color. Here's my front post, so I insert my hook the way I make my front post. Take your other color, pull it out, take the short tail and chain 1 to secure. I make a single crochet around it plus 2 chains, and this is my first front post double crochet. Pull it, and the next one will be a back post. You can take this short tail along with you or hide it at the end of your project. So the next one is a back post, yarn over, make a back post double crochet around the base of the next stitch. The next one is a front post. So make a front post around it. And continue making fronts and back posts around your stitches until you finish this row. At the end of the row, make a slip stitch into this. Sorry for my bloopers. Make a slip stitch into the second stitch, and the way I taught you, pull it out. I didn't turn my project because I'm a professional. And I will complete my last rows with my new color. And don't forget to mark your second stitch to make your slip stitching. At the end of the row, make a slip stitch into the second stitch. Chain 1 and cut the yarn. We should hide the short tails at the back of our project back and forth. And also this short tail of our magic ring, we should thread our needle and hide it back and forth. So this is the wrong side of my hat. I threaded my needle and start hiding, back and forth, back and forth. And do the same thing for the other shirt tails. Thread your needle and hide them back and forth, and cut the yarn at the end of your project. I hid all the tails, and this is the wrong side, and this is the right side. So nice and clean, and also very stretchy, as you can see. Hope you like this tutorial, and if you like it, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, write your comments down below, turn on post notifications, and like this video. See you in next tutorials. Bye!